Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. It's time to expand your vocabulary with two exciting new words. But first, let's start with a little brain teaser. Do you know if a tomato is a vegetable or a fruit? Well, we'll reveal the answer later in the video. For now, let's dive into our first word. Our first word might come in handy if you're feeling lazy or not in the mood for something. The word is differ. It's kind of like saying, I'll do it later or I'll deal with it another time. So if you're asked to do something but you don't want to do it right away, you can say, I'll defer that for now. But here's the thing. Why use differ when you can use cooler words like procrastinate, put off, delay, or even postpone? It's up to you. Just remember that differ can be a useful word to have in your vocabulary. Here's a sentence example for this word. I can't go to the movies tonight. I have to defer my plans until I finish my homework. Our next word is misnomer. Misnomer. Misnomer is a word that refers to a name or term that is used to describe something incorrectly. Sounds confusing? Let me give you a few examples. For instance, many people think that peanuts are nuts because of their name, but in reality, they are actually legumes. So calling a peanut a nut is a misnomer. Another example of a misnomer is Greenland. Did you know that Greenland is not really green? In fact, it's mostly covered in ice and snow, making it a misnomer. The name Greenland was actually given by the Norse explorer Eric the Red, who wanted to attract settlers to the area by giving it a more appealing name. Overall, a misnomer is a label that misrepresents the thing it's supposed to describe. And here is the answer to the question if tomato is a vegetable or a fruit. Calling a tomato a vegetable is a misnomer since it is actually a fruit. And there you have it, folks. Differ and misnomer. Two new words to add to your vocabulary. Now don't defer your learning and make sure to use words accurately. If you enjoyed watching this video, like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting word adventures. Thanks for watching.